Hi, thanks for joining me on this unboxing video. I don't normally do voiceovers, but I'm so excited to be sharing the animation yarn that I got from Crochet.com. It comes in 3 different packages, each that you can buy separately, but there's a discount if you buy them together. And look at these amazing vibrant colors. This is my favorite crocheting yarn, especially for amigurumi. I love how shiny it is, and it's so soft. It is a pleasure to crochet with. It slides smoothly on your crochet hook or needle, and it doesn't fray or split. Each package comes with 10 skeins. My only regret is that they're so small. This is my second order of the 3 packages together, and if you follow my crochet journey, you know that my main or most favorite colors are bright primary colors, but I have used all of these different colors in my crocheting. It is a DK or 3 light yarn intended specifically for amigurumi, and it's made of 100% combed mercurized cotton. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching.